When I go in on the beat, it's just something sick and so sweet. And I seen you flirting with victory, got the kiss of defeat. There's a hint of deceit in between your lips when you're speaking. So I ain't trying to be buddy, you bitches are weak. When you talk in the streets, well, I'm just assaulting the beat. And you think I ain't gonna hear it when something talking is cheap. I'm marauding your team and you motherfuckers are lames. You applauding with keep and you think you saving the game. Well, I'm down with the realest, my shit you hear it and fear it. I'll make it clear my appearance is just as real as they came or they come. I told you if you're wrong with me, then you're done. This shit is easy, this isn't even the hardest I brung or can bring. I guess I'm kinda saving some to be king. I've been a motherfucking champ, someone give me a ring. On the low, they didn't know this fucking kid could sing. I guess that's just another fucking benefit he can bring. This shit is murder, you never heard of this lyrical mic. I kill the competition, y'all ain't got the spirit to fight. My twisted lyrics are sick, you hear it, I'm spearing the mic. You pussy scared of the dark, but you got a fear of the light. I'm busy working on my craft and I'm continuing to move. And y'all are staying in your places like a deer in the light. Check. This is light work, this is light work. All this talk of competition, I ain't seen a single challenge yet. There hasn't been a single fucking goal a homie hasn't met. So let the chatter rest and let your actions talk. Cause I've been eating opponents like I'm on bathing sauce. Yeah, I'm Italian, I'm cooking y'all and me add the sauce. And do it like they used to when say it was Marshall Mathers' fault. I get creative with it, I write a page a minute. This is a plain exhibit showing y'all the flames, I spit it. And I'm not paid to rip it. You feeling froggy bitches, hop up off my shit. And then maybe I'll show you ways to rip it. You want a plate, I'll fix it. And then I'll break your shit in half. Cause that's the way I'm living, bitch, I'm on the rage, I'm living. You want a fade, I'm with it. You want a blaze, I'm with it. I pay my grave a visit while I live in case I'm sinning. I know that Oxycontin, I'm medicated with it. I haven't seen it ever since the devil.
You sit right here. Oh, Christ. Motherfucker's loud as shit.
You don't like it, get some airflow.
Oh. And he's like right here. Dumb as shit. That shit was dashing.
Really, nigga?
Oh.
Truck out the way!
What's up, man?
Do it! No. Oh, that's not gang. Team Honda!
Next upgrade, yo. I gotta get an exhaust and I need an exhaust. Yo, look so dumb. Look right what he said.
I'm just listening to these guys talk.
You feel me? So I did a whole video and like they're gonna have a two-step dance contest. Like I did not know it had anything to do with the cars.
Oh shit, I'm about to get my two-step. But now, two-step is when you allow pretty much like blow out extra gas that comes to the valve. And that extra gas comes out through, causing a mushroom fire.
Yeah.
That's what you get. Boom, 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 boom.
I want to do that, but since mine stays at the roller, you wouldn't be able to do that. Unless I use my foot to bounce it off and everything.
Yeah, my CX, I got a CX, it's turbo. Mine's got like 4,000 RPM if I hit it. Oh, you don't, I don't understand it either, I'm learning. Once it starts getting tight, that's when the gas comes through and out. Boys. Cause combustion. Oh, you gotta plug your channel, bro. You already know, it's Matt Parker. Stay tuned. I'm here with my girl T. You already know. Make sure, first of all, y'all go ahead and subscribe to her channel. That's my sis. If you want to check out some exclusive street racing, type in Matt Parker. Stay tuned or hashtag MPST. That's all you gotta do. Let's get it. Let's roll. You heard? And I'm gonna link it to you. Bet. I gotta get you. You already know. Bye. I'm not gonna go with it. I didn't know it was that loud. Do a pull. Yo, we just had a nice ass cruise. We just had a nice ass cruise with this dude in his Audi. Yo, the homie did like a backfire and shit. But I'm getting gas and dropping my sister home.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach a destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.